Good morning, my dear students. Now we are going to talk about very important topic in the unit, packing efficiency. Very important 5-mark question. These types of cubic system: simple cubic, body centered cubic, and face centered cubic. First one, simple cubic, SC. The structure is simple cubic. How many corners? 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners. How many atoms in the simple cubic unit cell? Formula NC by 8. How many corners? 8. Therefore, 8 by 8 equal to 1 atom. Okay. Says to find the atomic radius and short distance in cubic system. First one, find atomic radius and shortest distance in cubic system. Edge length A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Edge length A to B, edge length A. Radius. First one, radius, 2 atoms. Radius R or 2R. Okay, therefore edge length A, radius 2R. Therefore A equal to 2R. Therefore R equal to A by 2. R equal to A by 2. Next one, to find volume of sphere. Formula. Volume of sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Max formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r value A by 2. R value A by 2. Apply to R by R value. Therefore 4 by 3 pi A by 2 whole cube. 4 to 4 A cube. 2 into 2 into 4. 4 into 2 8. 4 divided by 8 2. Therefore volume of sphere pi A cube divided by 6. Next one, total volume occupied by unit cell. Total volume occupied by unit cell. To find total volume occupied by unit cell. Number of atoms into volume of sphere. Number of atoms value 1. Therefore number of atoms 1 into volume of sphere pi A cube by 6. Pi A cube by 6. Total value pi A cube by 6. Okay. Next, packing efficiency. Packing efficiency formula, total volume occupied by the unit cell. Total volume occupied by unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. Divided by volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell A. Therefore A cube. Fully A cube divided into 100. 100 pi by 6 percentage. Packing efficiency percentage 52.38. Empty space 100 minus 52.38. Total value empty space 47.62 percentage. Next one, body center cubic. BCC. Body center cubic. How many corners? 8. How many body center? 1. Therefore 2 atoms. 8 divided by 8. 1 divided by 1 into 2 atoms in the body center cubic. First listen. The value A, B, C, G. Okay. This is one diagonal and this is another diagonal. Okay. Look the picture. This is one atom. This is another one atom. This is another one atom. How many are? R. Only 4 are. Ag value equal to 4 are. First, A, B, C. A, B edge length, A, B, C edge length, A, C not. Therefore, A, B, A, C, B, A. Formula AC squared equal to, according to Pythagoras theorem, AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared, where AC equal to root of AB squared plus BC squared. Apply to value A squared plus A squared into 2A squared, root 2A squared. A squared to convert to A. Therefore, AC equal to root 2A. Another one, ACG. ACG. AC value root 2A. CG value A. AG value 4R. According to Pythagoras theorem value, apply to this value root 2A square plus A square, 2A square plus total root 3A square, AG equal to root 3A. AG value 4R. Therefore, 4R equal to root 3A. Radius equal to root 3 by 4A. Next one, volume of sphere. Where formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r value root 3 by 4a. Cube உள்ள வந்துச்சுன்னா 4 by 3 inside the cube value 4 by 3 pi 3 root 3 divided by 64 a cube divided by 4 and 3 volume of sphere value root 3 pi a cube divided by 16. Total volume occupied by the unit cell. Number of atoms into volume of sphere. Number of atoms in the BCC 2. BCC 2 atoms. Therefore 2 into root 3 pi a cube divided by 16. 2 into 16 8. Therefore root 3 pi a cube 8. Packing efficiency equal to formula total volume occupied by the unit cell divided by volume of unit cell into 100. Apply to value root 3 pi into 100 divided by 8. 80 100 at 12.5. That divided by 8. 12.5. Values 1.732. Root 3 value 1.732. Pi value 3.14 into 12.5. 68% of packing efficiency in PCC. Empty space 100 minus 68 equal to 32%. Look, next one, FCC. Total number of corners 8, number of corners 8, and number of face center 6 divided by 2. Therefore, formula 8 by 8 and plus 6 divided by 2, 4 atoms. I take only front face. I take only front face A, B, C, D. One atom and another one atom. Edge length A, radius R, edge length A. Therefore, AC equal to 4R, edge length A, BC A. AC squared equal to A. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC squared equal to AB square plus BC square, and AC equal to root of AB square plus BC square. Apply to edge length value A root of A square plus A square root 2A square. A square convert to A. AC equal to root 2A. Therefore, AC value equal to 4R. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, 4R equal to root 2 by A. So, R equal to root 2A divided by 4. Next one, number of spheres. Formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Apply to R value. This one 4 by 3 pi 2 root 2 a cube into 64. Volume of sphere 4 divided by 64, 16, 2 divided by 16, 8, 3 into 8, 24. Volume of sphere this value, and full total volume occupied the unit cell. Number of atoms into volume of sphere. Number of atoms 4 into root 2 pi a cube divided by 24. 4 divided 6 to 4 divided by 24 6. Therefore root 2 by a cube divided by 6. Packing efficiency, total volume occupied by the unit cell divided by volume of unit cell a cube into 100. A cube divided cancel. Therefore root 2 pi divided by 6 into 100. Packing efficiency 74% and empty space 100 minus 74 26%. That's all the best my students. Please carefully this watching 2 or 3 times watch this video. Any doubt please call me. And this 3 question BCC, SC, BCC, FCC, very important question, home test. God bless you.